Hey everyone, my name is Grace Huvis and I'm the current chair of the Yang Council. I am joined today by my vice chair, Matt Fowler, as well as Jackie Lutz, AACF board member and also former council member. We are so excited to talk to you a little bit today about something we're really pumped to kick off at Apex, our Yang Gives Back fundraiser for 2023. AACF, the Automotive Aftermarket Charitable Foundation, is an organization that we see as really important to our whole industry, but especially as the young under 40s coming up in the industry. This industry is home to us, and you never know when you're going to find yourself in a situation that you might not have foreseen, and AACF is going to be there to support you. So we've done a couple fundraisers in the past, starting with Yang Give 19 and then a couple Top Golf fundraisers, and we're really excited to kick off our t-shirt fundraiser this year. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Jackie.
Yeah, thank you, Grace. We're so excited to partner with Yang on this fundraiser. AACF is all about people helping people. So it's just literally the funding for AACF comes from the people within the industry, from the companies within the industry, and we give financial aid to people in the industry who need it, whether it's from a natural disaster of some kind or maybe a health issue. It could be any number of things. But if they find themselves in financial trouble, AACF is able to step in and help. And it really does feel like a community aspect to it. Everybody kind of wrapping their arms around the people in the industry. It's a really great cause. And it's so cool to see the under 40 crowd really leading the way and helping to support the people in this industry. And it's why we're so excited to partner with you guys on this. And I can't wait to learn more about these t-shirts you guys are wearing.
So this year we are gearing up to give back. Perfect. So I know you all want one now. In order to get a shirt, basically, either prior to Apex or when you're there, make a donation to the AACF. You can either do it directly through their website, or there's some LinkedIn posts out there that'll get you there. Just make sure in the comment section that you write Yang Gives Back and then the shirt size so we know what to give you. And then you'll just show your confirmation email at one of the pickup locations at Apex. So this year there's 3 pickup locations, and you can pick up at any time during Apex. First will be at the AWGA registration desk, which will be in the Bonzo Ballroom in the Venetian. You can also pick up at the Auto Care Member Center, which will be in room 202 at the Expo Center. And then always you can pick up at the Yang reception, which you should all know is Tuesday night, 6 o'clock at the Palazzo Pool Deck. And let's wear them to the reception. So if you get them early enough, make sure to wear them to the reception, and let's show support for the industry.
That's so cool. I love this idea. I cannot wait to get my shirt. I'll be rocking it at the reception.
Well, actually, Jackie, we got a little gift for you, and we already have yours ready to go. So here you go.
No way. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Yes. I will be rocking this all day on Tuesday. Thank you. I will be wearing it loud and proud at the reception.
Perfect. Thank you guys for tuning into our little video today. Follow us on social media for more information, or to find the link to AACF website to donate. We hope to see you at Apex, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of us or a council member. So see you there.
Thank you.
Bye.